UAAP Season 75 dito lang sa Studio 23 as we take a look at the highlights from that electric first set.
That was a good set to start this match, like what I said. Dindin Santiago having a lot of those quick attacks going from the very start. Of course, the errors of NU actually set the tone for that opening half of the set. No, sayang. They would execute a good play, but when it's their turn to serve, ayun, yung service errors point back to Ateneo. The momentum never really shifted. It was Ateneo all the way. You've got Phil Cainlet starting off this match, and I think that was a good move by Coach Roger to put in Ella De Jesus at the end. You don't want to force Phil in this first match that she comes back. No, kailangan you give her some time to rest. Maybe the opening part of the set is hers, and then Ella finishes it off. That could be the strategy of Coach Roger for this match. So very important for NU. Recover and lessen their errors. That's the number one thing that they should be doing right now. We're gonna look at the stats. 11 points of the attacks. Hindi masyadong malayo dahil 10 naman ang na-produce itong NU. Unforced errors doon ang lamang. 10 to 7. NU, 5 of those errors from service errors. And ayun, that's easily 5 points for Ateneo na walang kahirap-hirap.
Set number 2 is underway in round 2 between National University and Ateneo. And Ferrer sets this one up for Ziher Basho, who flies in from the weak side. Phil Cainlet returning again to start this second set. Thank you once again to everybody watching on Studio 23 and all over the world via the Filipino channel. Anton Rojas alongside Doc Ian Laurel. Valdez flies in for that drop ball. Double block was there. Ziher Basho wide on that angle.
That's outside. Good distribution by Jem Ferrer, making the NU blockers work. Move from left to right.
That is service error number 7 for National University.
Coach Francis, siguro sabi niya, what has happened to these to my players? Service lang, hindi pa maipasok.
All right, let's see what Selena has dug up for us with this report on the Ateneo side.
Coach Roger was very particular as to where he wants his Lady Eagles to position the ball. Number 1, he wants them to direct the ball to Dindin Reyes and to keep it away from NU's libero, Jen Reyes. Coach Roger also reminds the team to extend their arms when they block due to the height of the Lady Bulldogs. Huling paalala ni Coach, pag maganda ang reception ng kalaban, atake agad. Anton and Ian.
Thank you, Selena. Well, one of the things we noticed with Dindin Santiago, she has difficulty when receiving the ball because she's so tall. So medyo mabagal yung pagbaba niya to dig that ball up. That is why Coach Roger sees that opportunity to try and get his Lady Eagles to attack Dindin on the defensive end.
Well, Dindin, kung ano man yung shortcomings niya sa depensa, ito bumabawi sa opensa. That play was a quick play for her. Ateneo expected a strong hit. Dindin just floated it in.
Number 8. And that's not a good thing.
That's not a good thing. That's how they started the first set. Yun yung sinasabi ko, they get a good play going, score a point, but when it's their turn to serve, they just give the point back to Ateneo.
Ateneo won the first set by 5 points. NU committed 6 service errors.
So yun lang, ano?
Yeah, that was the difference. Valdez blocked by Kai Nepomuceno, who has really worked on that aspect of her game here in UAAP Season 75.
The outside block, if Kai Nepomuceno's there, that's a tough matchup for any outside hitter. And if there's someone who can match up with Alisa Valdez, I think from NU, it's Kai Nepomuceno.
Kai Nepomuceno, that was her 30th block point here in UAAP Season 75. Perez sets it up for Urdas.
That's inside. Urdas avoiding the block, just sending out a long ball to hit the line. Good play.
And this is something that Aiko Urdas will have to get used to.
Right on the line.
This is a high-intensity ball game with a lot at stake for both these squads. Jem Ferrer went for that drop ball, did not work. Valdez, her drop ball does not work. Urdas, it is drop ball galore here in this rally.
Crossing. Called on an Ateneo player. And NU, Anton, if they limit their errors, especially their service errors, they can actually get points on the board quite quickly.
Again, NU averages a whopping 34.7 errors per contest, while Ateneo is one of the best at limiting their unforced errors, just averaging 26.9. Ferrer sets it up to Valdez. Down the line, NU.
No touch from the block. I think Alisa is trying to get a call, but
Yeah.
no go there.
Let's take a look at it.
Malayo. Being bothered by the block, obviously, Alisa trying to bring it down the line, pero masyadong malayo at wide.
Long back set by Jem Ferrer, dug up by Reyes. Santiago!
Almost, not quite.
And now, it is NU off to a hot start here in set number 2.